Hello traders, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. Today I am going to show you how to find a strong levels in day trading. What are the techniques I am followed to find a strong levels in day trading. How to use those indicators absolutely free using TradingView website. I am sharing those informations for beginners who want to find a strong levels in day trading. It's very helpful. See here, it's a blank chart, 5 minutes time frame, Axis Bank. Here I don't have any idea where the strong levels, what are the patterns is followed, what is the value area high and low, but I'm using this indicator. It gives a perfect levels. See here, those levels are provided by some modification I done in this indicator. I changed some values to show those levels. It's absolutely free. I will show you how to get these levels. Here you see a channel pattern is formed. Here the price reversed here, the candlestick is rejected, but the value, the price will be comes down, but it is considered as a fake breakout because the breakout did not happen, and then the price moves and touches again. Here the price moves bullish point. Here you see front side, the price rejected from here, so the next time the price will be struggling to move up, the price moves down from here. A third touch, it breaks down from this level. So confirm first strong levels. Whenever the price touches 2 or more times, the line will be a strong support or resistance line. But here you see a second time the price struggling to break upside, but it will failed. Then it moves down, the price touches the high level. It's a value area high. Red line is a value area high and the green line is value area low, and the yellow line is point of control. I am giving those information with the help of this indicator. I am interested in price action trading, so I am using these levels. It works perfectly. Here also you can see those levels are respected very perfectly. First time, second time, third time. Here first time, second time. Here the breakout is happened, but the strong breakout not done here, but those levels are very helpful. Why? Because I am showing, see here, first touch and second touch respected. Here you see this level. If I am not shown these levels, it's a blank chart. You don't have any idea where to buy, where to sell, where to enter, but the indicator gives. Here you see this level is very important level. Why I am saying this level is very important? Here you see the same candle is rejected here, then move upside. Okay, I am enable my indicator here. You see the level, the line will be gives detailed about a previous history. It gives a value area, high, low and supportical resistance. It gives some details in day trading, which is very helpful to day traders. See the line is respected. Second time the price moves up, it's a bullish move. Here you see a double top is formed. Technically you can also find some patterns with the help of this indicator. Here you see the first time it helps to predict the next level. Okay, then it's act as if you find it is a double top. Okay, where the breakout is happen, you can follow this line as a neckline. Once the breakout is happened here, the price falls down. See the green line, it's a value area low. You can cover your profit from this level. Here you see double bottom pattern is shown. The green line is act as support or resistance. See, first touch rejected and second touch rejected, then moves bullish point. Okay, then moves to bullish movement. Those levels are working very perfectly. If you don't have any idea, use these indicators. It's a free of cost. TradingView gives absolutely free. Okay, and then I am using boring candles for reversal points. You see here, blue candles are boring candles. It's a neutral candles or reversal candles. You can find in blue color. Those candles are reversal candles. Okay, I am giving information about this indicator. Go to indicator option, then click search button, type volume profile. Here you see volume profile, make it. Select this. They defaultly given only 1 day levels, but I modified some settings to finding these important levels. Both are same indicators. The difference is value. Here you see I am giving 28 levels. Again I am showing you search volume profile in indicators, then click volume profile Makito. The settings will be given default as only 1 for finding that current day value only. I am modified this 28. That's your convenient. You can use what are the levels, and you can modify your own settings. I am just using 28. Okay, I am just using 28 to view those levels, and then here you see show range session high, low and mid. This option untick. Why? Because more number of lines gives confusions in day trading. Here you see this dotted lines and this line, these lines are, those lines are given by this option. So I am unclick this. Okay, you get this indicator absolutely free from TradingView website. You can use those levels for day trading. It works fine, and you can also combine with boring candles. The price action trading is very helpful for intraday traders. So only I am sharing this information to everyone who can find strong levels in day trading. It's absolutely free. Whenever you see a blank chart, you didn't get any idea where to enter, where to exit, but you find those levels once you get a previous history data. Previous history data will be reacted and reflected here. Stock market works at previous history. So I am giving 28 periods. It's my convenient period, so I am using 28. You can use default, or you can use 28 in day trading. That's your wish. And thank you so much for your support. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.